Hey guys, welcome back to day 4 of the 7-day diet plan series. If you're new here, please check the older videos in this diet plan series before starting on this plan. Links will be updated in the description box below the video. This diet plan for 7 days will help you to lose weight and change your lifestyle to a much healthier one. So take this 1 week full day diet plan as a challenge to wean off from refined sugar. The oil I'm using in the recipes are unrefined coconut oil and desi ghee, which is also known as clarified butter. I have customized this plan and taken care of nutritional requirements and also included morning and bedtime drinks that will boost your metabolism throughout the day. Include 30 to 40 minutes of exercise and stock up some fresh fruits as you will be snacking on them. Start your day with cinnamon tea. Cinnamon helps to burn stomach fat and also helps to boost your metabolism. I have already shared cinnamon tea recipe. Links will be updated in the description box below. After 30 minutes, have your breakfast. For breakfast, I'm serving carrot uttapam. Making uttapam or dosha is easy if you have some homemade dosha batter in your fridge. You can plan ahead and make some dosha batter and store in the fridge. Do check my video on how to make healthy whole grain dosha batter. Links will be updated in the description box below. The reason why I am including carrots in this diet plan is because carrots are a rich source of beta carotene which can be converted into vitamin A, and they are also a good source of potassium which your body needs when on a weight loss journey. To make carrot uttapam, grease an iron tawa with gingerly oil and spread 1.5 ladleful of the thick dosha batter. Spread the batter into a slightly thick dosha. Immediately sprinkle 1 medium-sized grated carrot, half chopped green chilies and some chopped curry leaves and put the flame on the lowest and cover with a lid. Curry leaves are a rich source of folic acid and iron. So try to include garden fresh curry leaves in your diet, especially if you have hair fall issues and anemia. Another thing you should consider is using an iron pan or a kadai, as cooking in iron pans helps in better iron absorption. After about a minute on low flame, open the lid and drizzle 1/3 teaspoon desi ghee and press the carrots lightly with the spatula. And carrot uttapam is ready to serve. The healthy fats in desi ghee, also known as clarified butter, will help to absorb the vitamins in carrots. Vitamins like A, K, E and D needs healthy fats like desi ghee to be absorbed into the body. Desi ghee will also helps to bring down the glycemic index of the dosha. So include little desi ghee in your weight loss diet and you will notice along with weight loss, your digestion improves, your skin will become clearer and glowing. Serve the uttapam with coconut chutney and breakfast is ready. Remember to keep yourself hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. You can have my infused water or Kerala's herbal pink water, which is antioxidant rich, and the links will be updated in the description box below. As a mid-morning snack, have 2 apples or 1 large apple or any seasonal fruit of your choice. For lunch, have quinoa khichdi. Quinoa is a superfood which has all the essential amino acids and is an excellent source of protein. And when quinoa is paired with sattvic moong dal and seasoned with chilies and spices, it becomes one of the tastiest nutrient-dense food. Quinoa is not a grain or a cereal grain but a seed and does not contain gluten. Quinoa is one of the best food for weight loss. I have shared many quinoa recipes and even shared a video on why you should include quinoa in your diet. It's a complete meal and very good for those with thyroid, PCOS and diabetic issues. This bowl of healthy quinoa khichdi will keep you fuller till your next meal. As an evening snack, you can have 2 dates or a small handful of nuts. Now, if you have the habit of having milk tea or coffee, you can have milk tea or coffee but without sugar. It's highly recommended that you have dinner by at least 7 p.m. Since we had a filling breakfast and lunch with healthy fats, dinner is a salad with seasonal vegetables. The healthy fats in coconut oil in the salad will keep your energy up, helps in keeping you feel fuller, plus you get tons of benefits from having virgin coconut oil. Virgin coconut oil helps to nourish your thyroid gland and also helps to lower cholesterol levels. I have already shared the health benefits of coconut oil and how to make virgin coconut oil at home. Links will be updated in the description box below. Now, if you feel hungry or feel a dip in your energy levels, then you can have any of these energy balls or energy bites, but try to limit to 2. And yes, you can have these energy bites or laddus any time of the day. Links will be updated in the description box below the video. A good night's sleep is an important part of this diet plan, and you need to sleep by at least 10:30. And as a bedtime drink, have my ginger water. You can prepare this and keep by around 9:30 10 pm and have it before you sleep. This amazing fat burning drink will boost your metabolism while you sleep. So guys, do try this full day diet plan series and let me know the results.